This is a weathered wood, and this wood is been there for 3 to 5 months on the sunlight, and we are going to refinish this wood. So first we'll use that walk on deck cleaner, and after cleaning we will wash the deck, and then we let it dry for 1 day, and the next day we have to oil it. So I'm going to show you the procedure one by one. Pause. First I'm washing the deck. You see the dirt is coming out, which we felt it was not there. Now we have done the cleaning of the deck. What we are going to use is the deck cleaner. Now deck cleaner has to be shaken well, absolutely shaken well to be used. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the deck cleaner. Either you can do it with a brush or with any kind of cloth. So here we have poured the deck cleaner. Now, once we keep it for approximately around say 5 to 7 minutes, so we'll hold here to show you the next process. We start brushing the face. Done. Now we will let the deck dry. You see the difference between old and new. We can hold it now. Now the wood is washed, and after drying 1 day later, when the washer is off, we need to oil it. The process of oiling is very simple. You have to shake well the entire can very well so that everything is mixed. After shaking it well, you have to use a brush or a cloth. Anything is okay as long as we put the oil on the deck. For example, we just need to have a brush or oil. We just apply the oil. No hand is required, but just since experiment, I'm just showing how the oil is been put. So once we are putting the oil, this has created a layer of the oil on the top. In few minutes, you will see that this oil will be absorbed into the wood, and those I can show you. You can pause it. So ready, and I'll say ready?
Ready.
Okay. When you see this, the oil is on the top. After 10 minutes, this oil needs to be taken off. Otherwise, people will slip, and it will create a kind of film. So one needs to take out the oil, excess oil. Here we take out the excess oil, one, and then we take out the excess oil. Now, when you wipe it, everything which is gone in is gone, and you see the difference between the new and the old wood. There is a difference between the refinish and unfinished very clearly. That's it.
We don't need to apply water again on it.
हमें water apply करते तो oil निकली होता है.
What if it rains?